Got the clapper?
You can start whenever it's rolling.
Excellent.
The film is in.
Alright, so last time we pulled apart this big fasciculata clump and got some grubs out of it. Today we're going to finish the job by giving it a final tidy and setting it onto some wire hangers. So as you can see, there's still some evidence of grubs in there. Just going to make sure that we remove all of that. Get it nice and tidy, get rid of all the rubbish. So we're going to do one single plant and then one clump of plants. So preferred method for myself and for Gigi, we're in Gigi land today doing this one, is soft aluminium wire. Very easy to source, cut to length, easy to work with. So I like to start at the bottom, make a small loop so you can daisy chain them together. And then about 2 or 3 fingers from that loop, bend it over, grab the plant, hook that around the root, and then you can really get nice and tight with the wire on this bunch of root base here. It won't hurt it at all. Swing that around and work your way up through a couple of sets of leaves. Nice and gently bend them out of the way, and then set that there. So there you go, pretty quick and easy. You can bash out a whole bunch of plants very fast in the afternoon. And the final touch here is to put a swivel and another 2 loops on the wire. You don't need the pliers to work with it, it just ends up making a nicer shape of things. So you put a swivel in here, close that up, cut ourselves another little bit of wire for a top hook. Again, bend it a loop and get that on the swivel. And then give this a bit of a kink one way and a full bend the next way. And there is your aluminium single plant hanger. The next step from there is, this is some really nice cheap speaker wire or hookup wire, something nice and flexible. Because it's got a little bit of metal in the middle, it doesn't fall apart in the weather. Slide that through there, twist it on, and now you've got somewhere nice to put your name tag. This is an unknown variety of fasciculata. We haven't actually seen it flower in our care yet, so can't tell you exactly what it is. But there's the single plant. Now we're going to move on